What's up, everybody? I think it's time for me to let this CBR600RR go. It has no title, so being a 2008, we can't run this on antique tag anyway, so I think it's a track bike. What have I done to this thing? Well, you watch the videos, go back and check it out. I bought an entirely new front end because it was all busted up. We also bought some new parts for this. So I don't even know how this stuff goes on. I'll keep trying to figure it out, but it's probably time to let it go to someone that wants to track it. This was all new. Had to get new gauges, new everything. And the case on the other side was cracked, so I replaced that. So there is no engine oil in here. It's probably time to start it. But I never got the rear brakes to bleed, so I'm sure somebody could figure that out. Where's the seat? Oh, I left that sitting somewhere. Did put the original battery. This is such a small area. You can't really get away with a bigger battery. But here is the CBR600RR. I'm going to go over and show you. Now, I know you guys want to see it in all its glory, but I'll probably just sell it for what I'm into it for. This guy, I don't even know if this is the right. I was trying to get these threads. The threads were kind of stripped there, so I don't know. We're doing something there, but the bolt on the bottom is brand new. Everything's secure. It's just not holding this guy on. They're, of course, tied down to that. I might have somebody look this over for me, and it's ready to run. Something, I didn't do something down here. Well, that's obviously not connected. The oil pressure did not connect because I don't know where to run this. The cable for the clutch, that'd be easy enough to connect. Basically, I think she's straight now. So I wanted to pull her out here and show it to her, show it to you guys. Hey. Cam chain tensioner. I don't want to part it out. I'd prefer not to. If I keep it, get it running. So let's show you. I'm charging batteries everywhere. Trying to keep everything, get everything cleaned up. Where did I leave the seat? Well, here are a new set of fairings. I think we're missing something, but we might be missing a side cover. The other silver piece of this, I didn't see it, but we have a nice tail section and everything. What is this? Is this our other? Nope. That goes up front. See all this stuff? I think I have new fasteners for it. I'll have to find those. I'll send what I have. But, where's the seat? We need to find the seat. And then I'll show you that this thing does have some power. Obviously, not everything's hooked up. I don't see the seat, guys. It's here somewhere. I probably set it aside. I'm trying to find batteries that would fit in here. But let's go ahead and look at this. Here's the original key. It was a little bent. There we go. Look at that. She fires up. This says 41,000 miles. Yeah. That's about all we can do. I don't have any turn signals up here. Do I have any turn signals on the rear? Well, I don't even have a switch hooked up to this, do I? Here is, oh, yeah, here's stuff. I don't have a headlight. So, turn signal. I don't know if I have that hooked up. Horn? I don't even know if I have a horn. All right, that's fine. No biggie. So anyway, we have stuff. Stuff. I will show you. Let's see. Like I said, there's no oil in the engine, so I don't want her to fire. But go here and hit the start button. She cranks. That's all we need to know. She cranks and responds. Beautiful. The key does, I think, work and everything. Let's see. There we go. Oh, perfect. Perfect. The gas tank is clean. Very nice. I could part this out and make some money, but I think I'm just gonna sell it. Like I said, I don't want to. It's so beautiful. Yeah, this works here too. So how does this come off? There we go. Tail section. Power commander. Oh, I got some paperwork. Maybe we could own this thing. Wait, that looks like a trash bag. That's just a trash bag. Okay. Paperwork. I don't know what that is. There's a spider. Power commander. That's probably worth something on its own. Alright, well, if nobody wants this, I'll probably ask what I have in it. About $2 grand. It's probably really fast and fun and amazing. So, if you're into this, let me know. And bring the cash. I don't have a title, so all you got to do is load it up and take it home. Guys, that's about all I can show you on this thing. And I will see you guys on the next one. Let's take a quick walk around this. I don't want to lose the key. Yeah, like I said, I have an 07, 08 front end. Can't really tell you anything about it. The guy was trying to put it on his CB1000 or something. And he lost interest in that project. I went ahead, I put on all new headers on here. They were crimped. Everything's good there, I think. Put a new radiator on it. Everything's good there, I think. You'll have to fill it. But once this thing goes, man, it's gonna be fun, it's gonna be fast. Two Brothers Racing exhaust. I love this design. I'm sure nobody's riding on the back of this thing, but I'm sure if you got this thing going, it'd be fun. So guys, I will see you on the next one. I need to find the seat. I won't bore you with that. It's around. I'll see you. Have a great day. Get out and ride, unless you have a wrecked bike rebuild like this. Later.